Hey, it's another video of a strange place. This one is totally right out of American Pickers. So we got a UHO7 here. Obviously it was spent lots of time in British Columbia here, because that's the only place where they get all the guards and the side guards. It's a straight UHO7, it's not a -5 or a -7. It's missing its quick change saddle, unless it was only a pin-on. At that age it probably was just a pin-on bucket. And it's got some ice lugs welded on the tracks, which means it wasn't down here in the lower mainland, southwestern corner of BC, so we don't get ice like that. So it must add some history up in the interior, like 4 or 5 hours north of here, from here to the Yukon. It's all rigged out proper. It's got idler stiffeners, full floater rock guards, the bear paws up top, which those weren't that common back then. I'd say this is 1981 or 2, with that square rectangle thing in the door, this rectangle door. And it's gray market. It's got the Japanese writing on it. Boy, the cabs were small back then. I used to run a lever machine. I know when they'd get slopped out, you'd actually, your left hand and right would cross over and bump each other. You'd be hitting knuckles. You could actually lock the two knobs together and it would do a few functions. So,